Hey guys, it's me again. This time we got the NF ACOUS NA20 in-ear monitor. And this came with this stickers. Let's set this aside. We'll talk a bit about it later. Okay, let's open this. This is a single dynamic driver IEM, and this was the this came out after the NF ACOUS and NM20, which was the IEM for monitoring for professional audio and usually used for stage. It was tuned to be very clear sounding, so that when they are on the stage, they can clearly hear what they're doing with their instruments. Oh, this is very difficult. Okay, I see it. And this one is tuned to be more for domestic use, for hi-fi lovers. But I have no problem with the older one, the NM20. Okay, this is the box, by the way. The outside is, the design is very good, the printing is very good, very high quality. Well, and this is the arrangement, guys. This is the manual. There's some, you see that there's a metal in there, so that can pull it. Okay, let's see. And this is the carrying case. I wish this was bigger. I wish this was bigger, a bigger carrying case, but it's okay. But if it can fit the IEMs, but unfortunately you can only fit small dongle ducts in this. You cannot fit bigger ones. And okay, I think this is the 3.5 to 6.25 millimeter adapter. But let's open this. Let's see what it is. Okay, it's this, and here's the IEM. Okay, let's pull this first. Let's see what this is the ear tips and the cable. The cable only comes in 3.5 millimeters. There's no balance here, but it's okay. The cable is on the thin side. It's not too thick, but not bad either. Just fine. It's fine. I think it feels very good too. It's very soft. And this is the IEM themselves. Okay, let's remove this. Oh, very nice, guys. It's brown and gold, and the nozzle is, it's not just brass, it is color gold. Yeah, I think it's gold plated or coated. It has a single DD. Let's connect this to the, let's put the ear tips. I use medium tips, by the way. Let's connect this to the, let's connect this to the IEMs. Oh guys, unfortunately I cannot see which one is which. This is the markings are not clear. But I'll look at it later with the magnifying glass. Let's just see how it sounds. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's now connected. Oh no, by the way, I'll get my phone and my dongle ducts to test this. Just wait for a moment. It's in the next room. Okay, just wait. Sorry. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that, and thank you for waiting. Okay, let's connect this to the TRN Black Pearl. This is a very neutral sounding dongle duct. I just reviewed this, and this very good sounding duct, very musical, yet it is very neutral. Okay, let's try this. Wait. Okay, you hear that? Guys, the sound signature is moderately V-shaped, and the bass is awesome, guys. It's very punchy and goes very deep. The mid-range is just slightly recessed, but not too much. The vocals are the sound in the mid-range are clear. The treble is slightly elevated, but not fatiguing, guys. So far it doesn't fatigue, and there is enough high frequency upper treble in this that you won't be looking for a balanced armature drivers. This is very nice sounding. I will post my written review of this in the near future. And by the way, I'd like to thank NF ACOUS for trusting me and sending me this for a review, especially to Eileen Ye. Thank you so much for trusting me. Then okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.